getting the morning started here at South Carlsbad State Camp Beach. I'm in my gazelle tent, waking up to a morning that I thought was going to be foggy, but that's the mesh. No fog. But here is my tent. Give you a tour. I'm solo camping because my husband Mark is at home, where we were alerted that the electricity may be shut off due to high winds. So this is what solo camping looks like for me this week. And this is where I filmed the squirrel yesterday in that bush. And here's the waves. It's high tide right now. But actually Mark and I both love our gazelle tent. Super easy. I was able to put up camp within 15 minutes and have everything set up. The tent only took maybe 2 minutes. It was so quick. A little everything table. Usually we have both our gazelle tents and we set up the kitchen in the other tent. And I just put my things underneath. Crate, ice chest, backpack. Empty crate I use for a table. Let's see what outside looks like. I have to keep this door closed because yesterday I found the squirrels love to come in for a visit when I'm gone. So I don't even give them a minute now. There's our tent, super easy to erect. The shade structure, I could have done better putting it up, but it's okay. It hasn't fallen down yet. And I always like to cover the camp tables. But that's my tent site. I have to have a box for shells and rocks. Gonna make some coffee. And check out the morning view.